We are back with another Reddit story for Ivan to answer, so let's do this. The title reads, possibly filled out my W-4 wrong. What will happen? I incorrectly filled out my W-4. I have worked 5 to 6 jobs in this tax year, and my W-4 did not accurately reflect that. When I go to file taxes, will I just owe the amount that I would have paid throughout the year? Or is there some kind of penalty? I'm fine with it if they just want me to pay what I would have paid throughout the year, but I'm worried that somehow this will cost me more money.
In order to answer this question, there's a lot of things that come into mind, like what is your overall income is going to look like? Do you have any dependents and stuff like that? Bottom line, let's just assume that OP is just single and just have 5 to 6 jobs. Is there any going to be penalties? Well, if you owe any taxes below $1,000, you're not going to owe anything. Now, there is safe harbor where if you pay 100% of last year's taxes, you actually won't owe any penalties. But there's another alternative where if you pay 90% of your current year earnings, you also won't pay anything. Depending on the 5-6 jobs and where her income lands, I don't know whether she's going to pay penalties or not. It just depends on how much withholding they're going to take. However, I can tell you, whenever you have multiple jobs, your withholding is based on your current earnings for each respective job, not cumulative. So obviously the jobs won't speak to each other, so automatically you're going to fall short, and it's going to be detrimental to you if you're past a certain level of income. So more than likely you will have an underpayment. The question is, will your withholding capture those thresholds of 100% last year or 90% of the current year? I don't know, but there's a high risk that it can be, and the real reason is, again, because each job is going to be taxing you according to that each respective income, and those withholding rates are a lot significant lower because they believe that you're only working at one job and it's part-time, so they're going to take little to no tax.
Uncle Sam says in a few words,
you will be penalized if you don't have enough withholding. That's just the layer of the law.